You get that?
Nice. Jack Stam Productions. Alright, welcome back to Jack Stam Productions. So, quick openings for this video because I messed up trying to film one. So, in this, I'm going to show you doing the chain and sprocket and trying to fix up the carburetors. I'm going to step in here and there because there was some openings I didn't film, some outros I didn't film. So, kind of fill in the gaps. So, let's go get to it. Okay, so today we're going to be rebuilding the carburetors for the cafe racer we're building. They're just full of old gunk and old fuel, and trying to get the bike running, I just wasn't happy, and I know the carbs are the big part of it because we just did the tune-up on it. These have been messed with a few times in their lives, so I'm really hoping that everything goes smoothly, everything goes how it's supposed to. Hopefully I can fix some of the things people screwed up. I'm not a carburetor expert by any means, but I definitely know what I'm doing. Plus, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Just, you know, replacing the parts that need to be replaced. I was hoping to wait on this, like get it, make sure it was running and stuff, so I could like take some time and really dig into these and clean them up. But I'm just gonna have to do my best with what I have, and then the big thing is getting it running. Once it's running, I can always go back around, pull these off, and really polish them up good. But for right now, I'm gonna throw it on time lapse, and we'll get to it. So the plan for right now is to put the brand new sprockets and chain on. Okay, so I got the front all pulled apart. It is pretty gnarly in there. So I used some simple green, a little bit of brake paint at first, but also some simple green to try to break it up. We're going to let that sit for a little bit. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to lift the back end of the bike up with my engine hoist. I've got little D-rings that will hook to the bolt holes on either side of the frame. So nice and strong. Lift it up, pull the axle out, and and then pull the back wheel so we can swap the back sprocket out while the front sits. So that's what we're gonna go do. And of course, I got my helper over here, little Scooter. You having fun, Scoot? He just likes hanging out. So, alright. Oh yeah, and of course got the chain off. Chain was actually put something on top to prop it up. So that nothing happens to it. Oh, actually, one last thing before we go. Let's make sure that this front sprocket. I mean, I can't see it not fitting, but at the same time. Oh yeah. Sorry about that angle for a second, but it's perfect. We're good. Oh, it's all breeding house. Okay, so that's actually it. Alright. Okay, so as you guys saw, we got the chains on, sprockets swapped over, all that went pretty well. The carburetors are jacked. You'll see in a future video we got new ones. So yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget
to like, share, and subscribe.
See you guys later.